For this lesson, we'll continue to use the FSAE steering wheel drawing file that was used in previous lessons. Now that we have a few drawing views, we need to be able to apply dimensions to the views. Going to the Dimension pull-down, the very first tool can be used to place multiple styles of dimensions, including linear, aligned, angular, radius, and diameter dimensions, which are listed immediately beneath it. If you need a specific dimension, you can choose the Exact tool. Otherwise, this first dimension tool will make its choices based on the geometry you select, and how you move the preview of the dimension can choose between aligned and linear. We will begin by placing a dimension for the overall width of the part, but we are not getting any points. Because this body was created in the Sculpt workspace, it doesn't have any sharp edges. This makes it more of a challenge to connect dimensions to. You can, however, find points and select them to place a dimension. With the drawing view selected, we can use the browser to change the visibility of components and bodies in the drawing view. Perhaps we want to turn off the grip top on the right-hand side. This could even be done while placing the dimension. Let's restore the view of the grip top and start the Dimension tool again by pressing the D key. Now we can dimension the overall height, picking 2 points and then dragging the dimension to the right to place it with a click. Then we'll select the lowest bolt hole, and the Dimension tool automatically becomes a diameter dimension. After placing the dimension, we'll select the center point of the large hole and the center point of the bottom hole to create a dimension showing their distance apart. With these dimensions, people understand that there is a 1/4 inch hole, that it is 1 inch beneath the center of the hub, and how high the steering wheel is. Let's use the Escape key to stop the Dimension tool and save the file.